Hi boys and girls. Today we're going to be doing pencil crayon marker with our spelling words. So the first thing we're going to do is write our spelling words with our pencil, and then you can use a crayon and then a marker. So we should be writing our spelling words 3 times each. So these are going to be a review like we've been doing of short vowel words. So the first one, let's do the word hat. Hat. Next one, fed. Fed. Number 3, hip. Hip. Number 4, mop. Mop. Number 5, us. Us. Number 6, let's do the word flat. Flat. The next one, let's do the word bed. Bed. Next word, slip. Slip. The next word, let's do hot. Hot. And the last one, let's do Gus. Gus. Now I want you to choose a crayon, whichever color you like, and write your words a second time. So go ahead and push pause on your video and write the words again with a crayon. Now that we have them written with a crayon, let's do a marker. So go ahead and pick a marker, any color that you would like, and write your spelling words again with the marker. So push pause and write your spelling words. All right, boys and girls, now that you have your spelling words written 3 times, go ahead and turn this into the basket and start on your Lexia, please. Good job today.